Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add bilingual subtitles and captions to videos in iPhone or Android. So in here, I've already added a
You know
video
what?
into my CapCut
I've lost my sense of.
and I want to add subtitles but bilingual. So what you need to do is just click on the captions here at the bottom and choose the language for the first subtitle. I'm going to go with video for the sound source, and after that here you need to enable the bilingual caption by selecting a language to generate it. So click on the language and select the language that you want, and after that you can just go back and click on generate. So just wait until CapCut finish generating the captions of your videos. It will take only seconds. So this
You know
is the
what? I've
result.
lost my sense of taste lately.
You can change the style of each subtitles by going to the, for example, you want to change the style for the first one like this, and you can also change the second one. Okay, so this is the final result.
You know what? I've
Thank you
lost my
so much
sense
for
of
watching.
taste
Don't
lately.
forget to
Really?
like,
What have
comment,
you been
and
eating?
subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.